Data-Intensive Systems, a Comparative Approach Performance in the Cloud. Hi, I'm Jorge. We got Dio McCoy and Jailer Sabala. So for the study, we focus on three platforms, which are Haystack, Apache HBase, and MongoDB. Uh, Haystack is a photo storage and retrieval system, while HBase and MongoDB are two different NoSQL document-oriented database systems. We believe these systems are good for research as they can handle large volumes of data and they can provide scalable, high-performance data storage solutions. The benefits of using cloud computing nowadays is that they can provide for different companies the most innovative technology available. It can be flexible, efficient, scalable, and it's very good among other things.
In our study, we go more in depth on the contrary on what problems may arise when working in the cloud. Some of the most common problems include security or privacy issues, which is a big concern for end users. Other problems we dive into include performance issues affected by network latency, as well as data transfer costs. They are all drawbacks we found while researching our specific data-intensive systems. Currently, there are a number of solutions in place to address some of the issues faced by cloud computing. In our study, we looked into techniques such as auto-scaling and sharding that deal with problems dealing with scalability, caching to help reduce network latency and optimize performance, as well as encryption and other security tools to help prevent data breaches and cyber attacks. While the current state of solutions in place hope to achieve their jobs of mitigating challenges associated with cloud computing, they do come with their own set of limitations. With the implementation of certain aforementioned solutions, the added complexity make it challenging for some users to implement. Some solutions may require additional hardware or software, which can increase overall cost of implementing and maintaining cloud infrastructure.
With our experimental methodology, we aim to gain an objective assessment of how these platforms all function in the cloud. In our study, you can see we attempted to make real-time observations for operations dealing with latency as they apply to Haystack and MongoDB, as well as identify specific challenges and constraints that were faced by HBase. All in all, the study focused on comparing the performance of Haystack by Facebook, Apache HBase, and MongoDB, which are all designed to handle large volumes of data. What we found is cloud computing offers businesses efficiency, flexibility, and scalability, but also present challenges such as security and performance issues. While we looked into the current state of solutions, we determined that they do help optimize certain problems, but they can also be associated with a new group of problems. In the end, our goal is to provide an objective assessment of how these platforms perform in the cloud, identifying challenges and constraints faced by each.